Here we have a flashing star going over the sky. It's 26th of... what is that? That's supernatural, that is. That's a sign from Jehovah Watchtower's about to fall. That's not a plane. No way. See if it comes out the other side. I think it's gone now. No, that was a sign from Jehovah, definitely, of a supernatural star flashing. Oh, there we go. There it is. Now, what the hell is that? It's the 26th of... now it's not flashing. 26th of... no, 29th of September 2019. I don't know what the time is. Probably about 9 PM. But that is very odd. Look at it. See if you can zoom out a bit. That's travelling across the sky. I've had this before across my house. And I'll put this on YouTube as soon as possible. That's a supernatural star. That's a warning sign to the North Icon congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses. I've just had supernatural light in the sky. And basically... there was a light emitting from over the North Icon congregation, and the moon is a new moon, so it's completely dark, and the sun was to the right, well below the horizon. So that is amazing. This is definitely a warning sign from Jehovah. That's two supernatural events tonight that I've caught on camera. So yeah, I just noticed that as I come out. Jehovah seems to time me to come outside to see these supernatural things. So I think I'll leave it there for now. But Watchtower's definitely going down soon. Bye for now.